Caretras bunion correctors are designed for those who have a mild or moderate bunion on the big toe. Correctors can help pull the bunion back into a straight alignment. Distinguish left and right through the Caretras brand label. Lay the splints on the floor. Step onto the side of it. Make sure the metal splint inside is up against the bunion side of your foot. The padding here provides protection and avoid the direct touch of the metal bars. Pull the short strap in between, and first wrap the long flap around the arch of your foot. Fasten it down with the Velcro tape. Then wrap the short strap around your big toe. Pull it over to align and Velcro. Finally, stretch the anti-slide strap around your heel. If it's too long for you, you can trim it down to size. There you are! Now you're all set! If you have a sensitive bunion, Caretras splints is adjustable. You can bend the aluminum bar according to your HVA, hallux valgus angle, and straighten your big toe gradually. If your HVA is larger than 40 degrees, you'd better have surgery.